Okay, go.
This is burgundy, yes. But what color is blood? Red.
Burgundy. It's actually blue. Oh, but yeah, when it hits the oxygen, it turns red.
Okay. Does this look like blood to you? This is.
I don't give a f.
This is supposedly a Halloween thing.
I don't give a f. If he doesn't like it, come then.
It's either I'm on full drugs, but that's motherfucker's purple.
Did he see this or not yet?
Yeah, he's saying look like.
Yeah, I need a photo with
They look like.
It looks like a bad paint job.
This is supposed to be blood. It's a Halloween thing, but it does not look like blood.
Zombie blood.
Oh, zombie blood, it definitely makes sense. Zombie blood is burgundy.
Yeah, you see? You see?
I told you, bro. You get the best content when it's just on record all day.
I'm supposed to be home chilling.
I'm supposed to be home chilling.
I'm supposed to be washing the dishes right
I should
now.
be f***ing playing Fortnite right now.
Who plays Fortnite anymore?
I want to go home and watch Saved by the Bell.
Yeah, I want to go home and play Tetris.
I want to go home and wash the dishes.
We have a Porsche turbo here. I don't know if you guys can actually tell what we're doing to this car, but just by looking at it, we have the whole rear bumper off, a lot of, tail lights off, everything's off. We're actually doing plugs and a coil on this car, so you do have to remove all these parts to actually change plugs and coils on this car. It's also in here for additional few mechanical repairs, electric stuff as well that we're going to do. So Javier's gonna knock this car out today, test it, and give it back to the customer.
They don't have a dead costume person, then it's not a Halloween store because they have mannequins that look like real kids. Blur this because they didn't pay for the plug.
Spray, laugh, run, repeat.
Yeah. So that's what you're gonna be doing. And it says warning: do not spray in eyes. Moses' eyes are. Just letting you guys know. Want to see some Moses? Yeah. He's gonna throw it all!
That feels really good, actually.
I really love the way you look tonight. Look, like, you're recording this, everyone's gonna comment on my hair. Mono's hair looks like a pube.
How do girls
Are you combing it?
How do girls with weird hair? It's nice. I wish I had this much hair. I can do a lot with
You
it.
do on your ass.
Right now we're headed to our buddy Josh's restaurant, Fat Sal's, which is a very popular restaurant here in Los Angeles. He has a few locations. We filmed there before. He does pop-ups certain holidays. He did a pop-up for Coming to America. It was out there in the news, crazy. Right now he's doing a pop-up for Big Kahuna, which is, you guys know the movie Pulp Fiction. So we're going there. We're gonna show you guys what he does. This is an actual running restaurant that he themes out. Right now he's doing it for Halloween. So really, really cool stuff. He's one of our good friends, clients. So we're getting there right now.
Uh-oh, heavy Heavy artillery. Oh man. Oh my god. This is strong.
You're gonna lose your fucking mind.
All right, we just finished up eating at our boy's spot. We just had the Big Kahuna burger. Delicious. It's got a burger in there, chicken fingers, grilled pineapple, lots of sauce, all that stuff. Also had a shake. That shake was nuts. It had a pineapple cake in there, coconut cake, all kinds of stuff in there. Right now I'm about to explode. I haven't ate like that for a while. But yeah, if you guys don't know, this Big Kahuna burger was in the Pulp Fiction movie. Mono's never seen Pulp Fiction, so he's gonna go watch it. But yeah, we gotta get back to the shop because it's crazy. Let's go.
Back. I have never arrested anyone before, but I'm pretty sure you've been arrested, as you can see. Is it too tight?
Yeah.
Hold on. I told you, gotta stop smoking that. Every time you bring these on the streets, this is what the happens to you when you bring the on the streets. He's been selling that on the street, bro. He's been smoking. I say, get on, you're under arrest. Get your ass over here. You better get that shit real quick, bro. Don't play that shit about. Don't play that shit. You don't do that. You don't do that. Come on, you're under arrest. You need to stop smoking. This is what happens when you smoke.
Happy Halloween, everybody. Halloween is one of our favorite holidays. It's like a whole month of fun for us. Every year we do something cool. You guys have seen all the Halloween inspired cars we've done. We got my car with the bloody spots, with the murder scene. Next is these two guys. I don't know if you recognize them. They don't really do much for Halloween, so I had to dress them up. Moses over here is camouflaged. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's not moving. He thinks the camouflage works when he's just standing. There's that moron over there. He just got out of jail, as you guys saw in the previous episode. He got arrested
in real life, and
so he kept his uniform. As a special treat for Halloween, we're gonna stick Moses over here in any bush we could find, which happens to be across the street. There's a perfect place for him to hide and try to frighten some people. Hopefully nobody tries to beat him up, but we're gonna watch him right now scare some people.
No, go down, go down.
Go. Hold on, Crystal, hold on.
Hey! You scared
You remember me?
I remember you. I don't remember you now. You look like bear.
You look like bear.
All right.
Alright guys, what you're seeing right here is the Crystal Spirit of Ecstasy. As you guys know, this thing lights up white usually, and it also turns off while you're driving. Kind of defeats the purpose of it. Chris Brown wanted this thing many years ago to change color and be on all the time. So we have a switch inside, you can change colors, does like the full rainbow spectrum. So right now we have on red, matches the interior, and it stays on while you drive. So really, really cool custom stuff right here. We're waiting for Moses. He's locking up, and we're gonna silly string him. We're gonna be careful not to get in his eyes and his mouth.
Dad, Ice Cube's dad.
Oh, the dad.
Yeah.
Craig's dad? Craig's dad?
Yeah. No, not Craig's dad.
You see what his thing says in the back? God lost his pen.